Hey everyone, this is the 17th video in the series Let Us Power BI, and I'm sort of taking you through how to get started with Power BI. And I do recommend that you look at the previous videos, but you can just start with this particular video and learn as you go along. So in this video, we will learn how to capitalize the first alphabet of each word in Power BI. So we will use Power Query for that. Let me just go to, so I've got the Power BI desktop open here with me and I'm on the home tab. So I go to edit queries and then I click on edit queries. And I've got this table called uppercase, and all it's got is it's got some names. And I'll just show you what I mean. So let me first convert this into uppercase. So let me, or I could just change it to, let's just say change everything to lowercase. So now everything is lowercase, and we want to make sure that the first, so we want the first alphabet of each name and the last alphabet to become capital. So all I need to do is right click here and go to transform and click on capitalize each word. So if I click it, you can see that J has become caps and then the last name B has become caps. Similarly for Daffy, D. Both D's are capitalized. Similarly for Mickey, M. So, this is in case you want the first letter of each first alphabet of each word to be capitalized. You can use this. Apologize for that one. And yeah, thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you enjoy what I'm doing. I would appreciate that, and do go ahead and like my videos. Thanks a lot. Cheers.